We're about to have an epic day. We're headed to Epic Universe and exploring everything Orlando, Florida has to offer at this new Universal Park and property. Let's go check out the new hotel, the Terra Luna Resort. Come on. We're here in Orlando, Florida at the Terra Luna Resort because we're headed to Epic Universe. I am so excited to begin this journey with you guys, but that's not all. First, we got to get started here at the hotel. We're about to check into the Terra Luna Resort. That's the newest resort to Universal property. It was built in March 25. So I'm so excited to check this place out. You can see it's very cool looking. It's got a rainbow wall and it's space themed. I think it's important to stay on property when you head to these parks like Universal and Disney because they have a lot of benefits. You get free shuttle rides to the parks, and that's not it. You get an hour early entry into each park. So you get to go an hour before everyone else does and be there for rope drop, which I think is key to maximize your time whenever you're headed to the parks at Universal or Disney. All right, let's head on into the Terra Luna and explore what this hotel has to offer. I'm excited to check out this brand new resort here at Universal. Terra Luna looks like the lobby of a spaceship, and I'm into it. They've got a full Universal store, pretty much everything from Epic Universe minus my Chef Toad headband. Luna Bar stays open till midnight. Okay, that's a surprise perk. After saying the check-in felt long, I noticed the 20-minute sign, so I guess that's normal.
Been quite a few minutes waiting for check-in. Brand new hotel that just opened, so let's see what the kinks are on this trip. All checked in and ready to go and enjoy the Terra Luna. We're here at the Terra Luna Resort and I'm so excited to check this place out. It opened just in March, so it's only been open for a few months. And let's see what it has to offer. Looks like we got the bathroom right here. Very retro, with its nice white rounded corner mirror. Big shower inside and a little closet for the toilet. I do prefer when the toilet's separate from the bathroom though, because then two people can do stuff at the same time. Looks like a nice thermostat, set it real cold. So we're in a hotel, let's get it down low right away. And then we've got a little coffee bar, a Cuisinart, not a Keurig. So we'll have to test that in the morning. Not me, but my guests, because I'm not a coffee gal. But what is this cute retro blue couch? It looks like we're at a diner, like on an airplane or something. And then we've got some nice comfy looking beds, a little cute retro lamp, and let's check out this view. Wow, they said we got a view of Epic Universe and they didn't lie. We're here at Terra Luna and we're right next to the park. There's also a giant spider just like chilling like Charlotte's Web, just right here, cruising in Orlando. Wait, we're right next to Epic Universe and I'm so excited. We're staying on property at the Universal Terra Luna because you get early access, so that's an hour before the park opens. It's right here, you could almost walk, but there's free shuttles to Epic Universe and City Walk and all the other parks. I'm so excited to get this trip started here in Orlando, Florida. This is Epic Universe. We're checking out everything the Terra Luna Resort has to offer here in Orlando, Florida at Universal, and we're starting with the pool. Let's go check this place out. Come on. It definitely looks big and beautiful and a place I want to take a dip. Somewhere to relax here in Orlando, Florida, the Terra Luna Resort. Look at that beautiful pool. But that's not all. Let's go check out all the food options, and we're going to head on over to the Moonrise Grill. So here at the pool at Terra Luna, you can get mobile ordering. You order with the QR code on every chair, and then you go pick it up at the Moonrise Grill, which we're about to go check out. We just ordered for pickup, and we're about to get our chicken wings over at the Moonrise Grill. We ordered on mobile at our beach chair, and they'll let you know when your order's ready, and you just head on down here at the pool for its own very own pool stop to get some delicious food here at the Terra Luna Resort. We're headed to the Moonrise Grill.
And after you have some great food at the Moonrise Grill, you can head right next door at the Terra Luna pool to the Moonrise Bar for some delicious cold drinks. Check it out. It's beautiful and looks like they've got a ton of options. Cocktails are $16 and they have quite a variety. And it's right on pool property to enjoy your cold and refreshing drinks right at your chair. At Terra Luna, they have a lot of great food options, open late and open early. Here on the right, we've got that cafe with a lot of dinner-style dishes and bigger meals. And then to my left, we've got the market for some quick service options like croissant sandwiches or bagel sandwiches or English muffin sandwiches too. A lot of variety. They've got fruit and drinks and some coffee. Was the coffee pretty good? And the coffee's decent enough, which is sometimes hard to get at any place you go to. So come here to Terra Luna. They've got decent food options. Universal's keeping up on par. We're at the Terra Luna Resort, and we're telling you everything this place has to offer. For food options, they've got the Omega Cafe and Market, where they've got a lot of different things like pizza, fried chicken, and even some Asian-style dishes. It's really cool because they're open late till 10 o'clock, so there's pretty decent food options around here. Just how Epic Universe has some amazing food, the hotels around this property are keeping up with the par, and I'd rate them a good rating, something worth giving a try. Here at the Omega Cafe at the Terra Luna Resort, you pick up your food here. I'm excited to try this stuff. We got the pickled brine fried chicken and the beef it up, which is a wok-style Asian rice vegetable kind of dish. I'm excited to take a bite. Let's see how they're tasting and give them a rating. Universal at the Terra Luna Resort. That's the brand new hotel that just opened a few months ago, back in March of 2025. And I'm so excited to try this food from the Omega Food Cafe and Mart. We got the pickled brine chicken and the beef bowl, and they both look really tasty. This is a little leg of chicken fried with marinated in some pickle. Crunchy and soft. Could use a little salt in the batter, but I don't think I've ever had this good of food, this presentable and fresh looking at a resort in Disney or Universal. So this is falling pretty high. There's a little bit of mashed potatoes and gravy that comes with this plate that's about $17. And a side of elote, Mexican corn. They also have a side for $8 that you can buy separately. I really hope it's about 8 times as big as this thing, because that is not worth it. But let's take a bite. That tastes pretty well seasoned. I wish whoever made that taught whoever made the chicken how to season some stuff, because that needs a little bit of flavor. And then this is the Beef It Up bowl. Nice chunks of steak. We got some rice on the bottom, broccoli, and cooked peppers. You also have the choice to get it with quinoa. I don't want to eat all of my steak in one bite. Alright, let's get a nice, great bite of some peppers, a piece of broccoli, some onion, some rice, sorry, and of course, the piece of steak. Bruh. Yes, the perfect bite. The steak is cooked. It has a really nice char, but it's a little bit overcooked. But this bowl is $20, so it tastes really fresh. It's a great food and a hotel option, but I don't know if it's worth the price. It has huge pieces of meat, so just keep that in mind when you order it. But this food from the Omega Cafe at the Terra Luna Hotel is tasting pretty good. Out of a hotel rating, this has probably got to be like a 7. Come try the food here at Terra Luna.
I just discovered two things. It looks like they're selecting from a random assortment of pieces in the back. So this piece is actually more juicy and flavorful. You can actually taste the pickle brine that they advertise on it. Tastes pretty damn good. I also discovered one more thing though. This biscuit's drier than your mom.
Wow.
I'm gonna give you a tip about Universal. I bought this refillable cup. This was $34.99. Yes, it's adorable, but guess what? I cannot refill it on Universal property. Unlike Disney, where you can fill it at both the parks and the properties, I cannot use this here, only at Epic or other Universal parks, but we had an epic day today. So this 1-Up cup has to wait until I come all the way back to the park to be used. If you want to fill your drinks on property, you have to buy another mug on its own for 1 to 3 days. That's $19.99. Plus the $34.99 that I already spent on this. I don't think that's a fair deal, and I think Disney has them beat with that reward. $20 for this? What am I, made of money? Lost the audio at the finish line, but not the magic. Appreciate you sticking with me through it all. Thanks for watching and have an epic day.